Yo, what's good guys? So it's your boy Sumesh, welcome back to another video. So last week we had 4 names on the watch and there's all 4 went and hit our targets perfectly. So I think I made like a little over $6,000, 6,400 exact, but who's counting, right? So let's get back to the charts and see what we can see for the next week. And I think I have 5 plays for you guys. I will rate them accordingly, 1 being least favorite, 5 stars being top favorite. All right, let's get it. So the first one is SPY. So as we can see, SPY gapped up and we went close to the 400 level. So far still holding below 400. I think if it can break 400 and then get above, hold above, I reckon Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday we will see a little bit of choppy, but towards the end of the week we'll close strong. So I'm watching at least 400 level hold on the charts, and I want to see the price action holding 400, and if it holds then I will jump into calls above 400 with a stop loss below it. So that's my number 1 play that I'm watching right now, above 400, because it's a critical level. If it got above, a retest can take us to 200 moving average on the 1 hour chart, which is sitting at 407. That's $7 move, and I think if it can go in one day, if we can gap up above 400. All right, and all the other thing, if it decided to come down, I think there's some chances of getting a bounce around this area. That is 390, so prices can bounce. I will also look at a bounce of 390. If it got below 390, then we'll play the downside towards 385. But a bounce of 390 or above 400, we'll try to do calls. And I will give this play 4 stars because I really like this play, but there's a few things that we have 200 moving average and there's a critical level. That's why I'm going to give it 4 stars, right? The other one is QQQs. Now, what happened in QQQs last week was we kind of stayed in the range right here, and on Thursday after those CPI numbers we gapped up and we broke our critical levels of 283, which was holding really good. It broke above it, broke 285, nearly closed at nearly 288. So I think now if we can get above 291, which is a critical level from the past, if we can get above 291 right here, I think next level is 297, right around these areas. Next level is 297. If that level breaks 297, we're going straight to 300, and then we can play a little rejection play around 300. But this is a play so far that I'm watching on QQQs. Right? But towards the downside, I really think we can see a bounce at that 283 area and see a price move higher. When I say bounce, when the prices go down there, we can see a price, the buyers come in and make the prices shoot higher. So around 283, I think that's where the buyers will come in again, and we can see a move towards 290. Right? But if it got above below 283, we can play downside towards 280 and 275. Right? Again, this play will get 4 stars from me. Alright, let's watch the other names that I have, which are, first is Microsoft. Microsoft on a daily chart, we see that 250 level is a big whole number. It's sitting right at the top. Look at this, 250, 250, 250, 250. And we're approaching 250 again. Now, if we break 250, it can head up to 252.5. Now, if it got above 252.5, I think the next level would be 255, 260s. Every $3-4 move, $5 move, we'll see some resistance, right? But towards the downside, I really do not like this towards the downside, especially for now. It has to break 235 towards the downside for me to be even get interested in this. Again, I'll give this play 4 stars and it looks pretty good, right? Alright, so the next play that I have on my watch is Tesla. So I really like Tesla play, and it gets 5 star from me because we were selling off because Elon Musk was selling like I think $4 billion worth of shares because he's in process of buying Twitter. He got Twitter, but still, the money and stuff. I was reading the news, so that's why we saw a huge sell-off this week. If it gets above 196, I think 200 level is the next. If it got above 200, held above 200, exactly same plan that we have for SPY, hold above 200, we want to see a hold above, and then we can take a trade towards $210. That's $10 move above 200. All right, so simple plan, above 196, we'll go long, target 200 and 210. Towards the downside, I really don't like anything for now. If I do like it, I will update it on my Instagram. Make sure you guys go follow on my Instagram at KCapitals. If I have anything change about the plan, I will update it on my Instagram. All right. let's look at the last play that I'm watching, which is Amazon. So Amazon is one of those names which got really hit by all these news, tech news coming out. Amazon got hit, especially after the split. So we went from 150 to all the way to 85 in a matter of like what, 3 months. So I believe if Amazon can get above, now it's broken above the $100 level, which is very good, and we broke out with some volume. You guys can see this. So I think if we can get up in this 105, if we can break 105, then we have a gap fill all the way towards, which is 110. So a gap is when the market gaps down or gaps up without having any sort of transactions in the middle. So you can clearly see there's a gap right here. There's no transactions done. So if we got above this 105 area, I think we can move towards 110 and 111 or something. But this is my another play that I'll be watching, Amazon above 105. Again, this play gets 4 stars for me because I really like that we broke above 100 and we were able to close above 100 on Friday. So now if it breaks 105, I think we can even push towards $110. Alright, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please throw this video a thumbs up so I know that you guys are enjoying this. Let me know in the comments if you guys want me to make any other YouTube videos, because I have a few plans to make some YouTube videos for the future, and that will help me definitely. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because there's a lot of videos coming out as well. Check out my Instagram if you want to follow my day-to-day activities again. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will talk to you guys during the week. Bye. Thank you.